Good afternoon, ladies. I am here to do an informational video about my bags and my accessories that I am taking for my luxury cruise. I'm going for 30 days to the South Pacific. So what I have found is these beautiful sets from Bebe at Ross. And I like to be kind of theme oriented, and this was a 3-piece set. It came with a clear bag, it came with this green and coral colored bag that I can put cosmetics in, and also came with this smaller bag, also from Bebe. And so I found those pieces. I'll go into what's in there later on another video. But then I also found this bag, which kind of coordinates. This is also Bebe brand. And so this has got a lot of space inside. And it matches the coral that's on this bag. And then I also found this beautiful Bebe with the bling. For, I guess the price is still on there, $16.99 at Ross as well. And this one has a little place that you can hang the bag up inside the shower or in your bathroom, in your cabin stateroom. And then this is mesh. So that's the beginning of my collection of bags. The next thing that I invested in, I actually bought this. This is a Chanel wallet on a chain. And I purchased this at Neiman Marcus in my local area. And it has, the bag is here. Wait, let me put this down. You can look at this. Okay, so here's the bag, and it has the burgundy interior. This is my bag for evenings on the ship. I don't think I will take it off of the ship, but I can put my cards in there, maybe a little cash if I want to tip in cash. I could put some lotion, hand lotion, my room key, maybe a lip gloss or something. So I'm really excited about this bag to carry on board for and it has, as you can see, it has the beautiful little Chanel ship. It has this anchor, and this is a pretty wool gold tone. So I'm really excited about that bag. So I'm going to set that to the side there.